Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete the Google search history. Whether you're decluttering or protecting your privacy, here's how to complete erase your Google search history. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Number 1 is to open your Google account. Go to the myaccountgoogle.com and then here click the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select the manage your Google account. Then go to the Data and Privacy tab, and on the left-hand menu, just click the Data and Privacy. After that, access the web and app activity and just scroll down to history settings. Click on the web and app activity. Then stop Google from tracking. If you don't want Google to collect data going forward, click the turn off button at the top of this section. Then delete the existing search history. Just scroll down and click the manage all web and app activity. Then click the delete button at the top right and select the delete all the time. Confirm the deletion. And all done. Your entire Google search history has now been deleted permanently. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.